If you want to learn how to distress wood, then look no further. This is how I do it. The first thing I usually try to do is I take a grinder and I start rounding off all these pretty little edges around the whole piece of wood. That's usually the first step. You'll see me do it again on the next piece of wood, but here I'm working with the hatchet, just trying to get those notches in the wood. There's no rhyme or reason to how I'm doing it. It's just very random. The more random it is, the better it's gonna look. And pardon the dust mask that I'm wearing. Whenever I'm doing the grinder, it really puts out a lot of dust. So, safety third. Now, there's been times in the past where I forgot to distress the edges of the wood like I'm doing here. I've made tables that didn't have it and it just threw the whole look completely off. So I haven't decided on the order in which I'm gonna stack these boards for my table, but I'm gonna do this to all of the edges. So no matter which piece of wood I wanna use, it's already been distressed and already had the treatment. So here's where I'm using that cutoff wheel that we were talking about earlier. It's like a grinder, and I use a 60 grit disc on there, and whenever I'm rounding off those edges, again, it's very random. There's no rhyme or reason to how I'm doing it. The more mistakes I make, the better it ends up looking. This is one of those times where you can get away with really not being perfect at all. So right here is where you'll see me grab a piece of chain that I had from one of my engine hoists. It doesn't matter what size chain it is, but I just start slapping it randomly, and the harder you hit it, the more notches you're gonna make in the wood. And once you lay that stain down and then do a light sand, all you're gonna see are all those little dents and imperfections, and it really adds some good character to that wood. So this is roughly how they ended up turning out. If you'd like, I'll upload another video showing the final product after I've put the stain on it and put the clear coat, and let you see how it all turned out. And as always, if you know of a better way to do something, please put it in the comments. Let me know what I can do better or what's worked for you. I'd like to learn something too. So thank you.